Oh, hi there. I'm Nathan. And this is This Cold House. So today we brought in some 10-foot 2x10s all the way over there. and we started leveling our floor. So first thing is we had some blocks of 2x6, and I made the premature decision a while ago to cut the floor back over here so this wall was floating, and I thought it's not going to be that big a deal. It's like the floor has dropped a little bit. We put in these blocks so that there'd be something to nail the plywood into, so that it's not just hanging over the lip of this joist. And now that these pieces are flush with the bottom of the floor, you can see that there's a little bit of a gap here. Not that big a deal though, because this floor is 2 to 4 inches lower than it needs to be anyway. So we were always gonna have to put something on top of these blocks to bring it to the right height, so it doesn't matter too much. So yeah, we put in these blocks, and we're gonna put them all along that wall, but we've only done it on this side of the dividing wall for now. And then we started sistering joists, which is super exciting, because I think this is something that we've both been looking forward to. And so we just got
Look at that gap.
Yeah, we just got these 2x10s. These are actually 3x8 joists.
What the originals are? Okay.
Yeah, these are the original 3x8 joists. Yeah, nice thick real timber. And this corner over here, I was hoping that this corner over here and the corner at the far side were at the same level, but 165 years of existing, the foundation has shifted a little bit. This corner is actually about 2 inches lower than that corner. And then the low point around where you are looking from right now on this giant beam is at its lowest in this room, is another 2 inches lower than that. Get the laser on for a
Yeah, just to show how you're measuring it.
Yeah, and so we were able to measure that with the laser level, and we have a measuring tape going down, and I would put the measuring tape down onto a joist, and then we can compare that height to another point. So anyway, we knew that we were low over here. So even though these pieces, the original joist are 8 inches wide, I knew that we had to come up another 2 inches anyway. So that's why we've installed 2x10s here. And so there's still roughly 8 inches of nailing space to put them together. And we also sandwiched in a little PL
glue,
floor glue in between to help prevent creaks. And also we knew that we were going to have to sheet. We're going to be sheeting over this beam, and I didn't want to have to cut some small finicky pieces. So we actually, if you come over around this side, you can get a better sense for the notches that we cut into the 2x10, so that the same piece could go all the way to the edge here. and then we'll have 16-foot pieces for the other side of the room. But so tomorrow we're going to finish off.
Look at all this mess.
This side? Yeah, that side is a mess. Tomorrow we're going to finish off this side, and then we'll move everything over and start on that side. I think that's that's it. That's it for today.
4 minutes, 11 seconds.
Oh.
Yeah.
So from everyone here at This Cold House, I'm Nathan.
And I'm Elisa. And that's Oliver.
Hi, Ollie. Okay, bye.